Oh, my Macau, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, my Macau, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh, my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my Macau. Oh, my Macau, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my Macau. Oh, my Macau.
Yep, Macau has kind of a beach. Has several beaches, and a beach that's not even on, doesn't even have a name, because it's right up against all these rocks right over here. Then you can see all these buildings in the background as well. And I'm with my daughter. But yeah, anyways, kind of a cool spot. And the shells are just massive in here. Just massive, massive shells. The other ones people will pick them up, but it's not too easy. Like, it's not hard to get. It's hard to get out of here. So. Oh. So we're going to be doing later is climbing those rocks coming on out. Amazing. It's massive oyster shells. Imagine living up on one of those places. So over there is Chukpan Beach, and then on the other side of it is Hakta Beach. Okay, so now we're gonna climb uphill and catch some of the views. So we're gonna climb all these rocks all the way up to the top up there. Dun 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 dun. See. Turn the camera off for a little bit. Amazing. Got some really good views up there as well. So we're gonna climb on up there. Very nice. Wow. Yeah, this is amazing up here. Kind of want to go over there? Should we? Got amazing views.
Oh, mama cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow. Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my mama cow. Oh, mama cow.
Okay, so now we're gonna head on out. So we're gonna go all the way up there. So we're gonna follow my daughter. This is the challenging part right there. She's gonna go over it. I'm gonna jump right over here. There we go. And then we just go straight up that way. So yeah, actually the face of this looks really steep, and it is steep. So we're coming out of this beautiful little rock area. Very, very cool. Oh. So there we go. We're at the base. Dun 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 dun. And over on this side, we have more rocks. Very, very, very cool. Super windy as well. And we're gonna end it for this one. Sights of Macau on a windy evening. Whew. Want to say anything?
If you're like to rock climb, if you're rock climbing with me, then you can probably go
Toma cuidado la voz